This is a quick review of this compact dryer that I just bought on Amazon. It's perfect for small spaces like apartments or vacation homes. I'd like to show you how it works, some of its features, and what it came with. This is the handle to open the door, and this is what it looks like inside. It's actually very quiet as it operates. It has a filter as well. This is your control panel. This is how you would turn it off and on. This is your start and stop button. This is your time button. This is how you add time to the dryer. This is the button that gets you through the different modes. So right now, the red mode, that is your strongest mode. That is going to have the full heat setting. This is what's called the intelligent mode. This will just kind of also be your full setting, full heat setting. And this one gives you a little more time. This is your eco mode. So this is going to be best for like energy efficiency. This one actually goes based on the humidity sensor in the dryer. So it's going to be detecting how wet the clothes are. This is just your regular mode. So this one does not have full heat. It has about half heat. So just consider it like medium heat. And this one, you may have to add more time. What's recommended for this dryer is that you would hang dry your clothes first, maybe not even all the way, but just to get it dry some of the way, and then finish it up in the dryer. That way you're not putting soaking wet clothes into this dryer. It comes with the vent tubing as well as the equipment to make it stackable.
See, I got a load in here now. I've got 2 suits of clothes. And start it up. Jump. Come on. And I like that I don't always have to put it on exactly 200 minutes to get it started. Right now I got it on 36 minutes to dry. But I can increase the time. I can pause it. I can easily add 66, 30 minutes. Or if I just need 30 minutes, I can go all the way over, hit start, and go from there. And I don't have to babysit it, you know, and make sure that with other portable dryers, to get it hot, you have to start at least 200 minutes. Not with this one. I can put it on the lowest time, and it's still gonna get hot enough to dry. But it's also got the echo if I needed it, which is in the blue. But of course, you can change it and turn it off just like that.